If your 2010 Ford Fusion suddenly has heavy steering and shows a power steering assist fault message or steering wheel warning light, the electric power steering (EPS) system has likely shut down for protection. This model uses an electric rack instead of a hydraulic system, so voltage and electronics play a major role. Start by checking the battery and charging system. Low voltage is one of the most common causes of EPS failure on this vehicle. Even if the engine starts normally, unstable voltage from a weak battery or failing alternator can disable the steering module. Have the battery load tested and confirm the alternator is charging properly. Next, try a power reset. Turn the car off, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and wait 10-15 minutes. Reconnect it and restart the vehicle. This can clear temporary glitches caused by voltage drops or sensor errors. Inspect EPS and PCM fuses in the fuse box and check for loose grounds or damaged wiring near the steering rack. If the issue persists, scan for steering control module codes using an advanced OBD scanner. Torque sensor and motor faults are common on this model. If the fault keeps returning, the electric steering rack may be failing, a known issue for this year. Check your VIN for past recalls or extended coverage before paying for replacement.